Welcome to Temple Builders Carpentry. Temple Builders, we problem solvers. Temple Builder, safety first. Okay, Temple Builders, today we talking about power drills, all right? Let's talk about the anatomy of this power drill, okay? What you see right here, these are the jaws, okay? You see I'm holding the chuck, I'm holding this chuck right here to basically move my jaws in and out, or basically expand my jaws, see, and shrink them. All right, now if you look right down here on this chuck, it says basically 1/16 to a half an inch. That's your chuck size. That's the size shaft that you can stick in these jaws right here, okay? These are the jaws, like I said, and this is your chuck. Right here you have your torque setting. Now let me use this one since those are wore down. This is your torque setting. Okay, you look at my torque setting, I got, mine is on, see that's my arrow right there. So I got right here, I got these drill symbols. That's a drill bit, that's a screw, and that's a hammer. I'm gonna get to them later, okay? But right now, my torque setting is on 1, okay? I can put it on 2, I can put it on 3, and the higher you go up, basically the more torque you're gonna get, okay? Now I'm gonna put this back on 1, okay? And my torque setting goes all the way up to 18. Okay, yours can go to 10, yours can possibly go to 20. It depends on what type of drill that you have, okay? Now, let's look at these drill symbols right here, okay? If I'm getting ready to drill a hole, I want to put this symbol. See my arrow, I'm gonna put this symbol on the drill bit, okay? If I'm gonna drill a hole, okay, simple. Now, if I want to put my screw in, then I'm gonna twist my setting to this screw, okay? Now, right here, you have a hammer, okay? So your torque is the rotational force. And when you put your select on this hammer, okay, it's gonna give you some vibrational force, or it's gonna give you an up and down motion, okay? Maybe you wanna use that going through concrete. Now let's put this back on the drill bit. Okay, now if we look right here at the top, you got a 1. Okay, this 1 is for your chuck spin, okay? So 1 is gonna be for low speed, high torque. And you'll have it on 1 when you're getting ready to drive a screw, okay? Now, I set it on 2, okay? Remove this. I set it on 2 for maybe medium to high speed, and you'll use this for basically drilling and also screwing, okay? Let's put this back on 1. Okay, now, you look right here, here got my selector switch, okay? Now we put this selector switch all the way to the left, all right? Look how our jaws move. Okay, you got some right rotation, okay? Okay, now if I put this all the way to the right, see it rotates to the left, okay? And let me show you how, a lot of people don't know how to put a drill bit in, okay? Let me show you. Okay, one thumb rule, if you don't have a chart, you basically can size your bit up, okay, by identifying what drill bit is the same size as your screw shaft without the threads, okay? The same size of your screw shaft without the threads, okay? So I'm gonna go with this one here, okay? Now, this is simple right here. All I do, I got my selector switch pushed all the way to the right, okay? And see that little arrow right there on my selector switch? It let me know that my chuck or my jaws is moving back, okay? I'm opening them up, okay, so I can put my bit in. And what I like to do is I like to hold my bit in my index finger and my thumb and center it in my jaws, okay? And then I'm gonna hold my chuck here with my pinky. Okay, now I move my selector switch all the way back over to the left, and I'm gonna slowly, I'm gonna let y'all see, grab my bit. You see those? See, that's control. Grab your bit, and you grab your bit there. See, I had that right there on the bit. You don't want to spin this bit in your fingers, okay? And basically injure yourself, okay? So once I got the bit in the jaws, I'm gonna crank it down. So you hear that? Okay, I'm grabbing on it good, okay? Now my bit is in my jaws, all right? Of course, you notice the trigger, and you look right here, it comes with a light. The light is good for when you're in dark spaces, maybe a crawl space. All right, I got right here, this is my battery indicator. See, I'm full. I got 4 lights. Now I can take this battery off, just like that. Put it back on, right? Okay, now I want to give y'all a little example of how to use this drill. Okay, now, particularly if you're going to drill or you need to put a screw at the end of a piece of wood, okay? Or if you want to get a precise location, because sometimes your screw can walk off when you're drilling or you're trying to drive your screw. I call it skating. It'll skate off on you or it'll walk on you, okay? And plus, if you're trying to put a screw in at the end of a piece of lumber like this, okay, it can split. All right, so that's why you'll want to drill a pilot hole first. Let's drill a pilot hole first. Yeah, drill me a pilot hole. Get some of that dust out of there. Okay, there go my pilot hole. Okay, now watch me take my drill bit out. Oh, my bit done slipped on, but let me take it out. I'm gonna hold my chuck. I got my selector switch pushed all the way to the right. See that? See that come out? Came out just like that. All right. Now I'm gonna put my Phillip head in here. Y'all wait right here. Wait right there. Okay, I'm back. It ain't take me long. Yeah, I go ahead and get my Phillip head bit. Okay, here we go. Put my Phillip head bit in here, okay? You see I got my index finger and my thumb right here. Center it. Got my other fingers holding on to my chuck. Okay, there we go. Now what I do, okay? I will change this symbol to the screw symbol right there. All right. Now I can put my screw in here. Okay. Just like that. Okay, a little bit below flush. Okay, and that's a little simple way of how to use your power drill. Okay. So I want y'all just like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Become my apprentice, Temple Builders.